getting your currently offline error in Messenger on your PC? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this error on your computer. So, let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any time. Before going forward, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Also, use a VPN and see if that helps. Solution 1. Enable and disable internet. To do this, click on the search icon and type Control Panel. Then click on Control Panel from the search results. Next, click on View Network Status and Tasks under Network and Internet. After that, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click on the connection you're using, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Next, select Disable from here. Then, right-click on it again and select Enable, and see if that helped with the error. Solution 2. Reset Network Configuration. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type NETSH WinSock Reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig//DNS and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now, type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in NETSH int IP reset and hit Enter. Do not worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. Do not skip this step. Then check if the error is gone. Solution 3. Use an optimized DNS server. For this, open Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Next, click on the Edit button next to DNS Server Assignment. Now, select Manual. After that, turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now, on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8 as your preferred DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now check if the error is resolved. So guys, that's how you fix the "You are currently offline" error in Messenger on PC. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching!